Hey, welcome to SAR Trail. This is Natalie and I'm Jeff. And today we're going to be making
tacos.
All right, tacos on our Tembo Tusk Skottle. If you haven't seen a Tembo Tusk Skottle at work, you're going to get a chance to see that now. It is a super cool camping piece of cooking equipment. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and how are we going to do these, Natalie? You're going to do a little twist on them. So what it's going to look like?
So first I'm going to brown the hamburger meat, and then I'm going to assemble the tacos with the beef, shells, and cheese, and then kind of just crisp them up on each side. That way the cheese gets melty and the tacos will be kind of crunchy. I'm going to be using corn tortillas, so they'll get crunchy.
Okay, awesome. And then one thing, you know, we're on Imogene Pass at Tommy Boy mining camp that used to be a late 1800s mining camp. So we're over 11,000 feet of elevation. So it gets cool up here and the sun's getting ready to go down. So we want to get that cheese melted so we don't just throw a bunch of cold cheese on our food and immediately we got cold tacos.
Yeah.
So you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
So over at the Rocky Mountain Overland Rally, we met with the owner of Tembo Tusk, Jerry. Super nice guy. And we picked up from him this wind deflector. And up here, it's not too bad windy today, but that wind deflector helps keep the wind from blowing out the flame, or it just helps hold in that flame so you get consistent temperature all the way around the cast iron skottle.
So my meat is still a little bit frozen, so I got to work with it to get it to thaw.
Hey, so while Natalie's cooking, getting things going, I wanted to kind of show you around the town up here. Well, it used to be a town. It's old and, you know, everything has decomposed. But up here on Imogene Pass, this massive kind of flat land in the middle of the tall peaks. We're several miles into Imogene Pass from Telluride. We're really close to Telluride. As the sun sets behind me, that's where Telluride is, right back there. And this is a 4x4 trail, and we're camping out here tonight at, like I said before, we're I think just over 11,000 feet. I didn't check the final altitude, but somewhere over 11. And we kind of picked this spot because it's level. There's running water, a stream over here, and also, hey baby, also because there's so much mining history right back here. This town was really flourishing in the late 1800s, 1894, 1897. It was sold to a new owner. Really neat place, and having a river so we can clean up all our dishes and keep everything clean, so that's a huge plus. So just wanted to show you a little bit of why we stopped here and how gorgeous this place truly is. So I'm going to walk you back over to our campsite, kind of see our setup, what we have going here. We're going to have a fire going a little bit later. How's it coming, baby?
It's good.
All right, looking good.
Okay, so I'm just working this meat around, trying to get it defrosted and thawed out. This is kind of cooking as it goes, so I'm moving it out of the way. It won't take long for this to all be cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to start seasoning it. I've gotten all the meat basically done. I'm going to finish cooking it through here a few more minutes, so I'm going to salt, pepper, I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. I would normally add chili powder to this, but I forgot it, so we're going to go without. A little bit of thyme just to season. Some cumin. And some onion powder.
Okay, so what we're doing is putting some cheese on these, getting the tortilla shells on the tacos, getting the tortilla shells on the skottle, melting that cheese, keeping them warm, and kind of crisping up these shells just a little bit. And that is a lot of ground beef.
Yep.
Oh, sweet. What else are we going to do on these things?
sour cream,
Nice.
and some salsa. I need some more of that.
Yeah.
Really?
They smell really, really good. Can you drop that guy in the middle? Say again?
Make room right here.
Perfect. You guys spitting?
Alright, let's get some plates.
All right, and then we can put that on low or turn off, we can reheat, right?
Yeah.
So one of the cool things about the Skottle is you turn it off right away. It cools down really fast, which is a good thing if you're packing up to leave. Another thing though, it heats up pretty quickly too. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off here in a second once these shells are done. And then we'll come back if we want to have some more tacos. Let's fire it back up, reheat up that ground beef, and we're good to go again. Looking good, baby. So, before it's gone, I wanted to show you this sunset over here. Sun is setting down. If you drop, I guess, about 3,000 feet from the mountains here, you get to Telluride. So the sun is setting right over Telluride. That's really kind of beautiful. They're good? Yeah, good tacos? All right, very good. Let me see what you got there. Some sour cream? You made those yourself, huh? All right. Hey, thanks for checking out Sour Trail today. Thanks for checking out Natalie cooking and Bailey eating and the Skottle tacos. Hopefully this has been something encouragement for you to go out and do something a little bit different when you cook out when you're camping. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell in the bottom corner to be notified. We put out videos, content twice a week, and all of it's family friendly, and it's either active or overlanding or camping or some kind of fitness or health oriented, but always good for the whole family. Thanks a lot.